Okay, I filmed a video, but I actually broke him while poking him about for it, so this is this is this is no eyes. Not accurate anymore. This is his newly fixed tickle sensor, which is made out of a battery compartment part, and it works. Now here, this is his new speaker, this round part here, and I soldered that in on these two wires, and you can see it sat in there. I stuck it to the white bar with some double-sided tape, and it's actually the perfect size to fit. He still has this droopy eyelid problem, which is my inaccurate sizing of the stuff behind his eye, but it's okay, it's fine, he's just a bit sleepy. So as you can tell, the new speaker works, which is fantastic. He actually sounds a bit quieter, which is good, because normally Furbies are like very loud boys. So we've prepared, at this point we've prepared the ears, and they're ready for his skin. We've prepared the sensor and the speaker. And his name's Coco, he told me. I find this like thrill, because obviously it's in his programming from like 1998 that his name is a random word in Furbish. It was always like every Furby had a random word in Furbish programmed into them that is their name in Furby. And he couldn't tell me, obviously, because he didn't have a speaker. So now this morning I managed to fix the battery thing so I could tell that the speaker thing was working, and he told me his name, which is Coco. Big sound. Now that's interesting. He keeps saying big sound. Oh no, he's sick. That when they sneeze, it means they're hungry, and his tongue doesn't really. His tongue works. Holy shit. Will you be quiet? You ever spend a long time working on something and then when it actually works you regret it? Don't be that Furby.